How to log in to cPanel. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the steps needed to log into cPanel. A cPanel access link is usually provided to you by your web hosting provider or through other sign-up methods. After accessing the cPanel login page, enter your username and password into the designated fields. These login details would have been provided when you signed up for hosting. After your login details are entered, simply click the login button. You'll be taken to your cPanel dashboard. You should now be logged into cPanel, where you can set up email addresses, manage park domains, create databases, set up shopping carts, and more. To log out of cPanel, click the user menu icon in the top right corner of your cPanel dashboard, then select Log Out. That's it. You now know how to log in and out of cPanel. Get started with domains.co.za today. It's that easy. Domains.co.za. It all starts with the domain name.